Okay, get them a little closer. So you want to turn this counterclockwise. And this comes off. This comes off. And this, you're gonna need, hold on, just stay right there. Let me get this tool. Might come a little closer. Can come a little, there you go. And then this comes on here. And you just turn this. Oh shit. Sorry. And turn this. This comes off. It all goes in the bucket. Let me show it in the water. This all goes in the water. Here. This comes off. This goes in here. This comes off. Follow me right here. Just dump this out into the sink. Okay. There you go. And a paper towel. Do we have more paper towels? I don't know what you did with them. Here they are. Get some water. Oh, the other thing I'm gonna do is not all the time. I'll show you in a second. Just make this down. You don't need to use a lot of water, but just enough to clean it out. Okay. And this part should, other part should be done every day too, but. It's kind of a good start. And then watch this part. These unscrew. You see that? Okay, it unscrews. It goes in the bucket. You can do two at a time. In the bucket. All of this goes in here. This rubber piece goes off. Goes in here. Let's show this. Okay, everything's in here. All the parts. Okay, show this. I'm gonna wipe all this down. And you don't want water to get into here, so just a little tiny bit, but you don't want water getting in there. This is electronics in there. Okay. And let it dry. And you can clean these little things a little bit. Let's make sure this edge is nice and clean. And everything's dry. Okay. And that's breaking the machine down.